So if you want to upload a folder with all file inside the folder into your Google Drive, let me show you step by step how to upload full folder to Google Drive. First up, after you open the Google Drive like this one, so the first thing you should do, you click on this new button and then you go to this upload folder. So from there it will take you to your PC. Now you go and locate the folder. I'll go to my desktop. So I'll scroll to down. So here is my folder. So after you select the folder like this and then you click on this upload button. So here as you can see the folder contains 5 files. So you click on this upload button and then now the folder will start uploading in this option. So after the folder has finished uploading like this one, so now you click on this my drive. So after you click on the my drive, so now you scroll to down under this list, you'll be able now to see the folder. Now here is the folder. Its name my desktop apps. That's the folder. You can open the folder by double clicking and here you can be able to see all the files inside the folder. And that's it guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.